all. Today we can see the basic data types problem which is in HackerRank. And yeah, today we are going to see finding the percentage. So what have they mentioned in the problem statement is the provided code steps will read in a dictionary containing key value pair of name and marks. Marks is an array. Then for a list of students, print the average of the marks array for the student name provided, showing two places decimal points. So what they have said is there will be key as a student name and mark will be a list of marks for that particular student, and you're having something called as query name where they will be asking for one particular student's mark alone. So what we need to do basically is we need to get this particular student's mark and then we are going to find the average, and the main point is we need to show it with two decimal points. Yeah, let us try to do. As we all can see, student marks is the dictionary which will have all the names and values, and query name will have that particular student whom we need to do. Yeah, we can start doing. So first we need to get the value of that particular student name. So what we can do, we can just make as marks is equal to, I will write the list dictionary name, student marks, and then which value we need inside the square brackets, which is nothing but the query name. Query name. So what this will do, this will get the all the marks from that particular student. So now we have got all the marks, and if you can see all the marks, there are only the length of mark array is 3. They have mentioned here in the constraint length of the mark array is 3. So to find the average of marks, we should add all the marks and we should divide it by 3. That is the basic thing. So what we can do, we can just write um, adding all the marks to be a sum of, it is a built-in function available. We can write marks. This will give you the addition of all the 3 marks inside that list. And what we should do, we should divide the sum by 3. Yeah. So this will give you the addition of all the marks and average of it. So we will save it as average is equal to like this. Then we need to print this average marks with the help of two decimal points after it. So I am going to write my print statement. We can use the format here, and I will write format of AVG, and then I need two decimal points. So we should write as 0.2f. So this will make sure that we are going to put two decimal points. And let us run and see the code. Yes, sample case 1 and 2 both are satisfied. If you can see, if the average is something like 26.50, that is also coming correctly. If the average is a whole number, that is also being printed with two decimal points. So these are correct. So why I did not use the round function but used this 0.2f is, let me explain you. So maybe with the help of round function I am doing, just imagine round off, and what I am writing is average comma 2. So this will also round off the decimal points into 2. Now let me print this one directly so that you can see the difference between the both. I am running and showing you. Yes, if you can see, this round off function will round off that particular string to the specified number of decimal points. Like if the after decimal points, if there are 4 values, it will round off to 2 values and show you. But if there is only one value, it will show only one value. It will not substitute a 0 with it to show with 2 decimal points. So this is why we did not use this round off. If you can see, 26.5 alone is shown, but you need it irrespective of whatever number, you needed two decimal points. So you should show as 26.50. So only we are using the format instead of this round. I think now it is very clear why are we using round. And that's it for today, friends. Bye bye. See you in the next video.